Are you ready to embark on a transformative 10-month journey, nurturing your connection with the healing power of plants? Welcome to Mayernik Kitchen's Herb Farm Apprenticeship, a hands-on experience that takes you from seed to medicine. Picture this, it's February, and you're surrounded by the aromatic allure of the herbal sanctuary. Hands in the soil, sowing the seeds of your herbalist journey. Our program begins with the essentials, seed starting. You dive into the art and science of nurturing medicinal plants from their very beginnings. As the seasons unfold, so will your understanding of the power within these plants. From planting to harvesting, you'll be guided by experienced herbalists, gaining insight into sustainable cultivation, herbal properties, and ethical harvesting practices. But the journey doesn't end with the harvest. Our program is a holistic exploration of plant medicine. You'll learn to create tinctures, salves, hydrosols, and teas that harness the potent healing properties of the herbs we have cultivated. Discover the art of herbalism, where each plant tells a story of wellness and vitality. Immerse yourself in the creation of herbal preparations that promote holistic health and well-being. This 10-month journey is your gateway to the world of medicinal herbs and plant medicine. Join us at Mayernik Kitchen and become part of a community passionate about harnessing nature's pharmacy. Spaces are limited, so seize the opportunity to grow with us. Register today and let your herbalist journey begin.